here is the Nuliie Temp-Sensing milk storage bags. I've used this brand before, but not this model of milk storage bags. I really like the size of the spout here and how much it juts out, because when we are pouring my pumped milk into the bottle to fortify it with formula, if the spout's too small, it kind of drips everywhere because of how much we have to tilt the bag. So this is really good. Personally, just because I don't know the temperatures that this changes color, we don't rely on that for when we are warming up or thawing a feed. But I have some express milk here. So this is measuring at 10. I'll take off 5 mils just for that's a nice easy pour off. And this is another bonus. When they have flaps like this, it's easier to separate versus a completely straight line. Those are really hard to separate. So already I'm impressed with that. Nicely. Now these say to not overfill. There's a max of 180 for storage. I personally do prefer a 250 bag, but currently right now my supply is not really exceeding 120 that often, so this works for me. Stays open nicely. Pretty easy to grip. Let's see how she stands up when I flare out the bottom there. Let's get our air out. Okay, the air is out. I guess because it's a tall bag. Ooh, it does want to flop a little bit. There we go. So maybe not making it so high would be some feedback, but it does it nicely. Let's see how it is. Just get my Sharpie here. Okay. Up here, today's date. Let's see how that actually works with a pen. Okay, so because it is shiny, a ballpoint pen doesn't really work. We'll try one more type of ballpoint pen, this one. Yeah, so you're gonna have to use Sharpies to mark on these. I pumped this started at 12:30. Okay. Well, there you go. Nuliie breast milk storage bags.